I love this 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom townhouse in one of the most popular neighborhoods in Vancouver, Mount Pleasant. Let's go take a look. On the main floor, you got this gorgeous kitchen and a super bright and spacious living and dining room. On the second floor, you've got 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. And the third floor, your master bedroom with ensuite and a private patio. Hope you enjoyed the tour. This is Sal Toosi, your MBA Realtor, and I can't wait to see you at our next open house.